been prepared.
I don't care. I want to see her.
Of course. This way.
It's been a weird day. It's been a very weird day.
Oh,
Yes, it still is a weird day.
as I said, I've only just started preparing her. So sorry.
What's the point of preserving the body if the soul has already left?
No, the soul is still here.
It's we who suffer.
Selling
We are
it.
left behind.
Fuck this guy.
Who's going to take care of me
This
now?
Semisode.
Did you think about that?
Elton. Fucking Clay doll. I'm so sick of this guy.
I did with Father Graham this afternoon. Friday,
Bye, guys.
at your request.